Most people get this wrong. They think Credlane is just another payday advance or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Credlane combines early wage access, installment payments, and financial tracking features, creating a flexible tool to manage short-term cash flow responsibly. Here's how Credlane works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours, which is helpful for urgent bills or unexpected expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into installments over a few weeks with a flat, predictable fee instead of interest, making budgeting easier. Credlane also includes dashboards, notifications, and reminders so you can track upcoming payments and manage your spending. This helps reduce the risk of late fees and promotes responsible financial habits. The downside, overusing Credlane can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up, and relying too heavily on the platform may mask underlying financial challenges instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request funds or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Enable payment reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help splitting larger purchases. Irregular income or per repayment discipline could make Credlane more expensive than helpful. In conclusion, Credlane in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips.